Hey yo, what's up guys? Today's tutorial is all about showing you how to create a trailer like a pro. I'm talking about trailer like this. Looking cool, right? Cinematic, engaging, and guaranteed to grab attention. After you watch this video, I'm sure 100% you are going to create a good looking trailer video. Either it's your birthday trailer or wedding trailer. Because to create a trailer like this, it don't need no skills. Even though it's your first time to create a video, you are going to do it because CapCut make everything easy right now. So let me just show you. Let's just dive in. I don't know what type of device you're using CapCut, but the important thing is, first thing we're going to do is to drag a song or songs that you want to use. So let's drag a song. I have a song here that I have choose already. Let's drag it. It's right here. So and then the next step is to click at this icon called automatic beat or beat map. So click that icon, then it's going to give you two options. It's beat 1 and a beat 2. So the beat 1 is kind of normal, you know what I'm saying? So but I like beat 2 because beat 2 is going to make your video look pro cinematic, you know what I'm saying? So it's cool. I love beat 2 option. So I'm going to choose beat 2 and click, and then it's going to generate. See that? Yes, it's going to generate all the bitmap, and what you're going to do is to drag all the footage at this bitmap point. So but the first thing I'm going to do right here on my way, I'm going to add some sound effect at the beginning of the song. First I'm going to add the sound effect called glitch. Where is it? It's right here at the sound effect. Yeah, this sound effect right here called glitch. I'm gonna add it at the beginning right here, right? And then I'm gonna write the channel name like this. Shallow. This is actually my other YouTube channel. So. And then I'm gonna add animation glitch. Where is the animation glitch? Is right here. Animation glitch, right? You see that? And then we're gonna drag all the footage that we want to edit. We'll click new one right here. Here, I have the footage right here. So I'm gonna use this one first. Oh, I forgot to add something right here. Library, let me add this stock video or stock photo right here, yeah. And then trim it just like that, and then bring this one right here. Okay, yeah. From this part, then we're going to trim this one, trim it out. Yep, trim it out, and then like this, then cut this one. We don't need this. See that? Then drag all the footage that we want to use, like this one. Yeah, like this one right here, and then we don't need this, right? Then we're gonna have something like this. After you had all your favorite videos that you think it match the bitmap, all this bitmap point, then you're gonna have something like okay guys, let me know in the comment if this tutorial is helpful, and give like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're new to this channel, and let me know in the comment if you have any question. See you guys on next video. I'm out.